Number 1. 1975 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S320 SWB Sedan 4D. Price: $3,600. Located: Santa Maria, California, USA. This 1975 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is a classic luxury sedan from the renowned W116 generation. Finished in elegant white with a brown bamboo MBTEX interior, this vehicle offers timeless styling and vintage German craftsmanship. Powered by an M110 carbureted gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it has approximately 93,000 original miles. The car runs and drives, making it an excellent foundation for a classic restoration or preservation project. It comes with a current registration and a branded salvage title resulting from a previous impound situation. The exterior and interior retain much of their original character, reflecting the prestige associated with Mercedes-Benz vehicles of this era. With proper maintenance and attention, this classic sedan has the potential to become a reliable roadworthy cruiser and a valuable addition to any vintage car collection. Number 2. 1966 Chevrolet Impala. Price: $10,000. Located Millville, New Jersey, USA. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala is a classic American full-size car powered by a strong 350 engine with a performance camshaft upgrade. The vehicle features an automatic 700R overdrive transmission that enhances cruising comfort and drivability. Finished in eye-catching red with a black interior, it has received new paint and several mechanical improvements. Recent updates include new tires, front shocks, front windshield, front grille, heater motor, ignition wires, and transmission. The car is equipped with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes for dependable stopping power. The vehicle runs well and presents an attractive appearance. A small amount of rust is visible near the rear bumper license plate area. This Impala is a solid classic cruiser ready for shows, weekend drives, and enthusiast ownership. Number 3. 1971 Pontiac Lemons. Price: $8,500. Located Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. This 1971 Pontiac Lemons is a beautiful classic muscle car featuring a powerful 6.6-liter 400 cubic inch engine. The engine has recently been rebuilt and has virtually no miles since completion, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking performance and reliability. Finished in silver with a black interior, the car presents a clean and stylish appearance. Equipped with an automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes, it offers a comfortable driving experience. The air conditioning system is fully operational, adding convenience during warmer weather. The vehicle is reported to be free of rust and is fitted with attractive wheels and quality tires. Combining classic styling with strong mechanical components, this Lemons is an excellent choice for collectors and drivers alike. Number 4. 1939 Plymouth Deluxe Sedan. Price: $9,800. Located Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, USA. This 1939 Plymouth Deluxe Sedan represents the elegance and craftsmanship of pre-war American automobiles. Finished in beautiful midnight blue with a beige interior, the vehicle has been carefully maintained and restored. The car features a manual 3-speed transmission and has been upgraded to a modern 12-volt electrical system for improved reliability. Restored in 2012 and continuously maintained by a professional mechanic, it remains in excellent driving condition. The engine was rebuilt and has accumulated only a limited number of miles since completion. The undercarriage is exceptionally clean, and the interior remains in outstanding condition. Garage kept throughout its life, this classic sedan is ideal for local shows, weekend events, and collectors seeking a well-preserved vintage automobile with documented restoration history. Number 5. 1950 Ford Coupe. Price: $6,500. Located Fredericksburg, Virginia, USA. This 1950 Ford Coupe is a classic American vehicle that offers timeless styling and vintage character. Finished in black, the car retains the distinctive appearance that made early post-war Ford models popular among collectors and enthusiasts. The vehicle runs and drives, providing a solid foundation for restoration or customization. Equipped with a manual transmission, It delivers an authentic classic driving experience. The seller notes that rust repair is needed, making this an appealing opportunity for hobbyists looking to complete a rewarding project. Despite the restoration work required, the vehicle remains complete and operational. With its iconic coupe design and strong enthusiast following, this Ford presents an excellent opportunity to own and improve a piece of American automotive history at an affordable price. Number 6. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible Coupe 2D. Price: $9,500. Located Orange, California, USA. This 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible is a stylish classic cruiser finished in white with a blue interior. Powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the vehicle runs smoothly and was previously used as a daily driver. Numerous mechanical upgrades have already been completed, including a rebuilt transmission, new shocks, water pump, carburetor, radiator, tires, and a complete tune-up. Additional features include window tint, alarm system, and Bluetooth audio capability. While the car still requires cosmetic improvements, including minor rust repair and interior attention, it remains road-ready and enjoyable to drive. The convertible design, classic styling, and recent maintenance make this Cutlass an appealing project for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and enjoyable vintage automobile. Number 7. 1969 Dodge D100 Truck. Price: $10,000. Located Porterville, California, USA. This 1969 Dodge D100 Sweepline pickup is a classic American truck featuring the desirable big rear window design. Powered by a 318 V8 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance and vintage utility. The truck includes several upgrades such as an aluminum radiator, HEI ignition system, Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, and new ignition components. Additional maintenance includes recently replaced front brakes. The vehicle runs and drives well, making it suitable for regular use or further restoration. The truck does have some rust, a minor engine knock from the upper end, and an oil leak that may require future attention. With its classic styling and mechanical upgrades, this Dodge remains a desirable pickup for collectors and truck enthusiasts. Number 8. 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Price: $6,999. Located Huntington Beach, California, USA. This 1968 Volkswagen Beetle is a well-maintained classic that combines iconic styling with practical drivability. Powered by a reliable 1,600 cubic centimeters engine and manual transmission, the vehicle starts easily and performs well on the road. The car features a clean title and current registration, making it ready for immediate enjoyment. Numerous recent upgrades include a new clutch, generator, ignition coil, battery, tires, mirrors, headlight trim rings, and window tint. The interior has been refreshed with racing bucket seats and a new white vinyl rear seat. Additional features include dual exhaust and painted white bumpers that enhance the classic appearance. This Beetle is an excellent choice for first-time collectors, weekend cruising, or daily classic car enjoyment with dependable performance. Number 9. 1969 Buick Skylark Sedan 4D. Price: $3,500. Located Kittery Point, Maine, USA. This 1969 Buick Skylark is a classic American hardtop sedan powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Finished in gold with a tan interior, the vehicle retains the elegant styling that made Buick models popular during the late 1960s. The car runs and drives well, offering a strong starting point for enthusiasts looking to enjoy a vintage automobile without a major initial investment. It is described as a complete vehicle with all major components present. The seller notes that brake work is needed, which provides an opportunity for the next owner to improve the vehicle further. With its classic hardtop design, comfortable interior, and V8 performance, this Skylark remains an appealing choice for collectors and hobbyists. Number 10. 1962 Chevrolet C20 Pickup. Price: $3,000. Located Hemet, California, USA. This 1962 Chevrolet C20 Fleetside pickup is a classic California truck featuring an 8-foot bed and a custom dually rear axle conversion. Powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck offers strong potential as a restoration or custom-build project. The vehicle spent its entire life in California and benefits from a clean body and rust-free frame. Although it is currently not running, the engine reportedly operated before the truck was parked. The seller indicates that a battery replacement and fresh fluids may be needed to return it to service. Its solid condition, classic styling, and desirable fleet-side configuration make this truck an excellent candidate for restoration, customization, or shop truck use. Number 11. 1971 GMC 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price: $9,800. Located Greensboro, North Carolina, USA. This 1971 GMC 1500 short bed pickup is a classic American truck, equipped with a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The vehicle features a Holley carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, dual exhaust system, and upgraded lighting. Finished in black with a matching interior, it presents an aggressive and timeless appearance. The truck rides on staggered 20-inch wheels, enhancing its street presence and overall stance. The interior has been upgraded with a leather bench seat sourced from a Yukon, providing additional comfort. While minor rust is present on one cab corner and the paint is not intended as show quality, the truck remains a strong and attractive driver. This GMC offers classic styling, V8 performance, and excellent potential for further customization.